So I work in the area of intellectual property with a focus on intellectual property litigation in patents, trademarks, and copyright. I'm also a trademark agent where I help clients protect, maintain, and enforce their trademark rights in Canada. I chose IP. It's a bit of a typical story with intellectual property lawyers. I wanted the opportunity to be able to combine my technical background with an practice in the area of law. I am an engineer and I have a master's degree in structural engineering, and I worked for a few years as a bridge design engineer before I reassessed where I really wanted to be, and I decided that patent law would be a perfect fit for me. And that eventually evolved into intellectual property litigation because when I started working in the area, I realized that my genuine passion and interest is to be in an area where I could affect a change in the law or influence a change in the law. My clients generally know that I care and that they can call on me whenever they need me, even if it's not the most ideal time. I would say another thing that I bring to clients is the fact that I'm very prepared and organized. Every recommendation that I give is based on a very strategic decision where I've learned or I've looked at all aspects of a matter and I've thought many steps ahead. So I'm not the kind of lawyer that just shoots from the hip. Everything is very strategic. And I think the last thing that sets me apart is my connection to people or my people skills, because I really take the time to get to know my client contacts on both a professional and personal level. I find the practice of law to be meaningful, and most of the time that's when I'm able to achieve a win for my clients, because I am a litigator and ultimately I like to win. And that doesn't mean just a win in court. That also means just being able to successfully protect their rights. Beyond the practice of law, mentoring associates is very important to me, and specifically mentoring female associates. I'm very dedicated to the retention of women within the legal profession, and so anytime I have an opportunity to advise or help an associate make a career jump or overcome an obstacle, that makes a difference to me.